In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily force restart your iPhone if it is stuck or frozen. I mean, if your screen doesn't respond to commands and we cannot use it to restart our iPhone in a normal way. Then guys, here now I'm gonna show you the solution, and the key here that we need to press a combination of buttons. First off, we need to press at volume up button. After that, we need to tap at volume down button. And then we just need to press and hold this side button until Apple logo appears. I'm gonna show you the entire process. So actually we need to do it really quick, just like that. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. This slider may appear, however, if your screen is frozen, you won't be able to drag it. Then just keep holding that button until Apple logo appears, and once it is appeared at the screen, you can stop holding power button. And now just wait until your device is loaded, just like that. Now we can unlock it, we can enter our passcode, and then we can use our device as before. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.